We start Stats Analyzer and connect to the PX150 radar. Select your radar in the Connect to Radar drop-down box and click on the Connect to Radar button. Once it is connected, click on the PX150 Plot tab and resize the window so it is large. Click on the View Video button on the bottom right to open the video window. Now turn up the frame persistence at the top of the window to show vehicle tracks. Click the Clear button to clear the tracks when necessary. Now wait for vehicles to go by. Pause the plot stream to draw a lane. This won't stop the video though. Click on the Draw Lane button at the top. Click to start the lane and click again to add control points used for curves or turns. Double-click to finish the lane. Confirm the arrows show the correct travel direction. Each lane automatically has a zone at the beginning. Drag the zone to the approximate location. Right-click on the side of the lane to add an adjacent lane. Adjust the length of the zone by dragging one end of it. Clear the tracks and click play to resume the stream and wait for vehicles in the remaining lanes. Pause again to draw new lanes. Click on the Draw Lane button again and click to start the lane. Click frequently to add control points to form a curve or turn lane. Double-click to finish the lane. Continue adding lanes as necessary. Again, confirm travel direction is correct for each lane you have added. Right-click on the side of a lane to add an adjacent lane. Add control points and move them to make this lane merge into the next lane. Click on the end of the zone and drag it to make it longer. Click in the zone and drag it to move the whole zone. Add exclusion zones for areas where reflections from signs or cabinets are showing ghost targets on the plot. Click the Save button at the top after adding each lane or making changes to the lane. Click on the lane and then add Stop Bar button to add a stop bar to the lane. Stop bars are for visual representation only. Click on another lane and repeat the process for all of the lanes. Uncheck the Moving Targets box at the top to hide the vehicle tracks. Stop the Vehicles box should still be checked. This shows blue dots where vehicles have stopped. This is useful for positioning stop bars and zones. The last lane is a turn lane. Right-click on that side of the lane to add an adjacent lane. Move the existing control points to shorten the lane and merge it into the next lane. Add a stop bar and move the zone to the end of the lane. Click on the Save button at the top. Confirm the travel direction in each lane is correct. We are finished configuring the lanes at this location.